So today is September 4th, and I have now thatched this property, thatched this lawn, aerated, seeded, and fertilized it. I put on an organic lawn fertilizer, my 545 organic fertilizer. 39% rock minerals is what it has in there. I put on my 70/30 golf course quality seed. It's got a very light 1% coating, a growth hormone in there, and organic growth hormone that helps the seed germinate quickly. And on top of that, as a top dressing, I used a 50-pound bag of soil amendment and to repair the soil in here. It has a mineral in there called zeolite that prevents compaction and holds and releases water. And this is a fairly acidic soil in here underneath some evergreen trees in this back lawn here in North Seattle. So I'm trying to repair the soil too. A side effect of that amendment is it really greens up the lawn for about 3 weeks time. But I'm going to come back here in about a month's time to take a look at this property and see how it's doing. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and I shoot these videos out in the field as they happen, so I cannot control the sunlight and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm on a lawn here in North Seattle area, and this is a lawn that I had previously thatched, aerated, seeded, and fertilized using an organic fertilizer, and then I put on a bag of soil amendment. And this is a backyard, and it gets a lot of shade and a lot of evergreen tree needles and things like that in here. And so sometimes it can be a little challenging in here having good grass. So the client had brought me in to see if I could bounce it back, and well, now I'm looking at the results, and I'm happy. The client's currently out of town, and but I'm glad of the results as I take a look at my work. What more can I say? This is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.